Go ahead. Remove the rear cap. Whichever rear cap model you have, set it down, push the rod through the front, pull the rod out the back. That's it.